And just like that, back to regular scheduled programming. I'm done. Now it's time to go home. It's about 12 now, so I'm out of here. Of course, Master Son. All right, so I'm out, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm out. I'm out now, and I'm gonna go ahead and. I was just going to go home, but I'm like, not yet. I'm still gonna pick up the kids, so I'm gonna go for a walk, and that way I can walk and dry my hair, and then I'm gonna choose the days that I'm going to swim. I'm going to make those days the days that I know I'm go outside long, because I have to wash my hair and I have to go a walk. I have to go for a walk so I can dry it since it's summertime. I make it air dry look, and then I'm gonna go and do like a blow dry. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I feel better, and then I have to go home because today is Friday. I have a video that I need to drop. I don't edit the video, you know, but I have faith. And I was looking online that I can get an external graphics card reader to make my video editing on my computer go faster. I also saw that I can basically upgrade my desktop. I'm gonna try that as well. Like, I'm gonna try them something. But yeah, so I'm gonna go edit that once the people them come home. Them and them father after that. I'm gonna edit that, and because I have to post today. Yeah.
First meal for the day. I think the only thing we eat since we come back was like an apple. So I have to finish this, and it's still Friday. I'm still at work on editing. Like, I'm still working on editing, so I'm gonna have to get that done as well. Might ask me if it's smoothie tastes good. I don't know. Like, I guess because I'm used to drinking it, so it tastes alright to me. Somebody else might think it's too gross, but me, I'm used to drinking it, so it's okay to me.
I'm out of the shower. I hope I'm out of the shower on time. But I'm gonna try to
need.
the boat hat, that the one like where your daddy wear. Go on, I'm gonna get it for you. I hope I'm out in time to get this done. so this is a bit of the look. I think in the other camera I'm more, you can see the full body. I'm gonna show it here, but this is the look. This is the look. I'm going with myself, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna wear some dupes. Did not come to play. I think I'm gonna leave this hand bare. Maybe the necklace. But I don't think I'm gonna do any necklace, no necklace. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna wear a necklace. I think my shirt is fine, you know, everything else I'm gonna have on. Let's put on some perfume. So you guys know I'm not a perfume person, but no, I smell nice. So I'm going to put it not too much. I'm not gonna put it up so usually I put it up so I'm not gonna put it down so that way. You know, perfume. Good to go. Some shoes. I don't know if the dark brown goes with it. So I'm gonna know if the dark brown go with it, but I gotta wear it. Me that. Definitely a really white person. Me that. Tell me one thing. How did I do putting this together? It took more than pants like at graduation, but the funny thing about this pants is my buy this a long time and we did stop work because I was like, this isn't my style. I don't know how to dress it. And I go to one of my geek work, I get where I look at me now. I just love it. Yeah, damn it, I have a little stain on it. Oh well, I have to work today. So ballet is finally over and they did good. They did good. They did good enough for their age group. So all I can do is tell her good job. I'll stand outside. I'm gonna get the key, okay? But she doesn't look really happy. She says she's hungry, so I don't know. But boy, I don't know if because at the beginning stages, but me I forgot give this at least the next year or 6 months to see how well she do, because the one of them picking it up, they just run up and down and I carry on. But I guess they did the best for the first time. I don't know. Now off to the house to go get to eat food. You know, I have to pull out food there and go and go eat. Even though I look pretty, I might record that one video because I like how I look. But you alright, Otto? You just hungry?
Me too.
Okay, so we're going to eat then, okay?
We're just gonna
You sure?